Well, MasterCraft's a great company. It's a company founded 41 years ago. A guy had an idea that he could build a better ski boat. And he was an engineer actually at the time, working in the aerospace business. And he began to work and he said, what do skiers really want? And he began to craft a boat from the consumer's perspective first. And then he made a few boats and he took them to tournaments. People started buying them. He goes, oh, this may become a business. So he quit his job as an engineer and began to build boats. And that's really the philosophy that's led MasterCraft to this day. What do consumers want? What's a smarter alternative to what's already out in the market? And how can we bring that to the customers at a fair price and give them a great experience on the water?
Well, what you see behind us is the next step for MasterCraft boats. We've taken all of our years of experience and we've applied it to a new 30-foot style express cruiser. Not only is it innovative, but we've gone above and beyond the expectation for elegance and opulence. And if you take it a little bit further, the performance characteristics and the design characteristics are first class. Many of the designers on our team are very experienced in blue water boating, and we've applied that knowledge to the fundamentals of this boat to make it world class. We've integrated an arch with a really unique feature, and that's a glass hardtop. A glass hardtop is a feature you'd find on a 50, 60-foot express cruiser, but we've brought it down to this level. We've got hull side windows that are integrated right in. There's billet aluminum pieces that are giving it that unique feature. And you'll find that on all of the MasterCraft product line, that it's all about that. It's all about a presence. It's all about a certain robustness that you won't experience on other product lines. Okay, well, welcome to the back of the new MasterCraft 300. As you can see, it's a very inviting space. It's very accessible to the water, which on a boat, that's what we're all about. It's all about time out on the water. Right from the very beginning, you notice that we have a solid, single-level cockpit space. There's no step up, there's no trip hazards. It's a very comfortable space. Obviously, you see the opulence and the elegance. We've got full teak cockpit, we've got ultra leather interiors, we've got stainless steel, and it's all about a quality and level of expectation that we demand at MasterCraft. As we mentioned a little bit earlier, one unique feature about this boat is this glass hardtop, and we're here for a little bit closer look to it. Not only is it a unique feature, but it allows us to do a lot of things. We integrate LED lighting with multiple colors. We've integrated a mister system, so on a hot day, you can, nice cold water blowing on you. It makes it nice and comfortable. The arch itself is an engineering feat. It's a fiberglass over aluminum. Gives it a lot of structural rigidity, a lot less racking. As we move forward in the boat, you can see that we have a port and a starboard side wet bar system. On the starboard side, we have a grill, and on the port side, we have a stainless steel sink. Obviously, with a satellite TV, one unique feature is we'd be able to watch the outdoor channel from wherever we are. To port side, we have a standard cooler that comes with, and on the starboard side, you get a stainless steel refrigerator or an ice maker. If you notice the wood and the material that's used in this boat, it's probably the highest quality that we could get for the marine environment. This particular material is Wenge, is the name of the wood, and it's been treated with a special coating that's resistant to UV. Obviously, we were concerned about it, so at MasterCraft we did a 500-hour saltwater test on that material to make sure it was going to meet our needs. As we move a little bit further, I would like to point out the Helm Seating. As we go out with a family on a boat, it's very important that everybody has a comfortable seat. Instead of just doing a double-wide helm on this side and nothing on the port side, we decided we want to allow a family of four to be able to sit facing forward. That's why we have double-wide companion seat and a double-wide helm seat. You can see from the treatments of our helm that we've paid a lot of attention to the detail, from the billet switch panels, from the use of wood, from the use of the different vinyls and so on. We've provided that high-end automotive feel to the helm, making it very ergonomic as well. We were able to couple up with ZF gears and provide true joystick maneuvering. Joystick maneuvering gives you the ability to move the boat around without really having to understand the mechanics of a boat. You simply grab a joystick and move it to the right or to the left, and the boat responds to that, and without having to worry about if you're in forward or reverse. It's as simple as pointing the joystick, and that's the direction that the boat moves. When it comes to boating, one of the most important features is safety. And obviously, as you're moving around on a boat, things are moving and things are always changing. One of the neat features that we've incorporated on this boat is what we call a hidden sliding step. There's a step that carries you down to the cabin. And in most operations, I could easily fall down into that. But in this particular design, we've actually designed a sliding step that closes that over. So now I can step out on it. I don't have to worry about falling down into a hole. On many 30-foot express cruisers, I challenge you to find one that offers a screen door as well as a companionway door. It's nice. It allows a lot of natural ventilation down into the cabin. Again, just the attention to the detail that we've put into this boat. And even the handrails. We decided that we didn't like the standard round handrails, so we actually came up with a new cross-section of the handrail, and it's very, very comfortable to grab, and it lends itself a very unique look. We're obviously at MasterCraft entering into a new range of boats for us. And to address the customer needs and expectations for this level of boat, we've entered into a custom line, if you will. What does that mean? That means that they'll be brought in on a VIP treatment to our plant in Tennessee. They'll be allowed many hours of experience of this boat out on the water. Then they'll sit down with the design staff and the engineering staff and spec out how they really want that boat to be and how they really want it to be appointed for their needs. So it's a really first-hand personal experience that we're going to do.